Hello. Now let's discuss functions and features of Constitution. Beginning with features of Constitution. 1. A Constitution, as we said in the definition, is a body of rules and regulations by which a state or a government operates. 2. A Constitution has an introduction or a preamble. Take for instance Nigeria. Nigeria's Constitution starts with "We the people of Nigeria," such and such. 3. A constitution contains the system of type or system of government that is operated in that country. 4. A constitution contains the rights and obligations of a citizen in that country. 5. A constitution contains the arms of government and their functions. Now let's go to functions of constitution. 1. A constitution maintains law and order. It exists to maintain law and order in a country. 2. A constitution mentions or states the modus operandi of a government of a country. So it tells the people, the citizens, how that particular government operates. 3. A constitution tells the citizens of the country how to change government, how government can be changed smoothly. And 4. A constitution states how it can be amended. In our next video, we shall be talking about types of constitution and their features.